Hi students, myself Azim Ghafoor Sheikh from Manpa Shahbaz Khan Amin Khan Jamadar Urdu Marathi School, Kolhapur. Today we are going to learn a new lecture in our good activity from Mahanagar Palika Shikshan Samiti, My TV, My School. So now I am going to take a very good, a charming, very interactive lesson from my English book 1. It is a very wonderful lesson. It's concerned with our granny, grandfather and our rural life. So it is, I know you understand, it is from our motherland. Very good. It involves very pet animals and farms, seeds and activity from a village life. So now take this first slide. First, what are beautiful pictures. There are many women who are working in their farms. Do you know farms? Farms means shade. You know your grandfather or granny works in farms. They sow seeds and cultivate the crops. Wheat, grains, pulses like jawar, wheat, maize and so on. Same here, in this picture we are seeing some bullock carts. Some women are working. There are many pet animals, cock, ducks and so on. Some people are working in the farms. From these farms we get our foods. Our grandfathers, grandmothers say works in a farm so that we eat the foods. Now I am going to take, now look this farm, this is a farm, shade. Now I am going to take this song for you. It is very interactive and very good song to you. These are the pictures of the villages. Now looks, these are farmhouse in our village. Our kaka, uncles, aunties and grandmother, grandfather mostly lives in village. They like village lives. So here I am showing you some pictures. These pictures are very beautiful. They are same as our houses in village. Now I am going to take your first songs of your textbook from English textbook 1. Okay, this is a song for you. Look these pictures. There are many animals. They are pet animals, dogs, cocks, hen, cats, buffaloes and cows in this picture. Listen, sing and act with me, okay? Now first, I will sing this song for you and you have to listen this song very, very carefully and remember each and every word of this song. Okay, first arithmetically I sing this song for you. My grandfather had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. My grandfather had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had some dogs, and on this farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a bobo here and bobo there, with a bobo here and bobo there. Here a boo, there a boo, everywhere boo, foo. My grandfather had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. My grandfather had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. This is song for you. There are many new words for you. My grandfather had a farm, and on this farm he had some dogs. Do you know those dog songs? Boo boo. They bark like in this way. There are many dogs in this farm and these dogs barks some person who are newly comes, some unknown person which enters without permission in the farm. They barks on those persons. Okay. My grandfather had a farm. माझे आजोबाकडे एक शेत आहे आणि त्या शेतामध्ये कुत्रे आहेत. ते कुत्रे एखादा व्यक्ती ओळखीचं नसलं तर त्याच्यावर ते ओरडतात, भोगतात त्याला ते, असं इथं पोएट म्हणतोय. डॉग्स कुत्रे जे आहेत बार्किंग जोरात करत आहेत. ओके. आणि ते कुत्रे शेतामध्ये पूर्ण विखरलेले आहेत. या शेतामध्ये आजोबांनी भरपूर पेट एनिमल्स, पाळीव प्राणी यांच्याकडे आहेत. त्यात कोंबडा, कोंबडी आणि मांजर हे पण आहे. बघा तुमचे आजोबा कशा पद्धतीने शेतामध्ये काम करत आहेत. नाउ लुक दिस पिक्चर, हाऊ दिस वे युअर फादर, ग्रँडफादर वर्क्स इन देअर फार्म्स. माय ग्रँडफादर हॅड अ फार्म. Look these pictures. Your grandfather works like in a farm. They had the farm and they work day and night in their farm. They cultivate many foods and we eat these foods. These foods are jawar, wheat, rice, pulses, so on. If they not cultivate the foods, we can't eat the foods. Now, and your farms, your grandfather have some dogs. The dogs barks on unknown person. Do you know why your grandfather pets these animals? Guess the words. Why they farms? Why they have the dogs? Yes, they dogs. These dogs protects their farms from unknown persons, from the thieves. Okay, so they have the dogs in their farms. They are protector of their farms. Here a boo, there a boo, everywhere boo boo means the dogs barks on unknown person with their loud tremendous sound, with their horrible sound, and they attacks on the unknown person with a boo boo here and boo boo there. They barks each and every corner in the farms. The person, unknown person, come from every corner, from any sides of the farm. The dog barks on them with their tremendous, horrible sound, boo boo here and boo boo there. From another picture, I am showing you how the barks protects their farms with their majestic power of barking. Here a boo. There, here a boo, there a boo, everywhere boo boo means the dogs protects the farm with their whole energy, with their whole power, and day and night they works, they perform their duties. So there are these dogs have the very fun and very protective for the farms and the crops of your grandfather. Okay, I know you will understand it. In the next, you will see there are many dogs and many pet animals in the farms. Farmers have these pet animals in their in their farm, so that to get protection from the other unknown person or thieves. And also they want to pet them or take care of these other animals like cat, buffaloes, cows, cocks. These animals use income or money to your grandfather or the farmers. They give milk for us, they give eggs to the farmer, and especially cats eats the rats. They protect the cultivated crops from the cats and other animals which comes in the godowns of the crops. Okay, so that they pets these animals or pamper these animals in their farms. Okay, now look these pictures carefully. How beautiful cat it is. How beautiful cat it is. This is a cat. Its sound is meow meow. Okay. Now speak like me. Meow meow. Another pictures, it shows you another animals. Okay. Now look these animals. there are the ducks. These ducks helps the farmer or your grandfather. They use eggs and also they eat some insects which are in the water plants or in a ponds which the farmer used to provide the crops. These ducks eats them. Okay, these beautiful ducks make sound quack quack. Speak like me. Make a sound like me. Quack quack. These are sound of the duck. Now look this another picture, which is in this picture there are many cows. These cows gives foods to the use milks to the farmer, and these cows helps to use bulls for farmer to flow a flow in a farm. Okay, these cows make sound of moo moo and they make this sound very noisily. Okay, now I have a very good activity for you. Look these pictures. Write the names of these pets animals. In there are many pictures of pet animals. You have to write the names of these pet animals. Okay, I know you will surely write this name of the pet animals. Now, in another activity I have given you to increase your vocabulary. Match the sound of these animals. In column A there are sounds and in column B there are animals. You have to match this sound with the correct animals names, correct animals pictures. Okay, here are two animals I have given you. In another pictures I have give you another animals. Same here, you have to match this sound with particular animals pictures. Okay, look carefully and manage them. Look at these pictures very carefully and write the name of each animals, each things in your notebooks. Oh, what a beautiful picture it is. There are many pet animals in the farm. Here is also one small farmer. Here is a hut, a house, a godowns, a stubble, cow, sheep, cock, duck, dog, and so many other things. Yard also is there. Do you know the yard? Yard means boundary wall of the farms. Here is also a yard. You have seen many farms in your grandfather's village. Many farms is there. Same here, a yard of farm shown in the picture. A small hut is also there. Okay, I hope that you understand these songs very well. So thank you and so much for watching.